Today's interesting session is on multi-level marketing. Many of you have understood this as network marketing. You know, Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft, once said, if I would be given a chance to start over again, I would select network marketing. Nobel Prize winner, economist and writer Paul Jan Pilger, he also thinks that for entrepreneurship opportunity, today's world, one of the most important direction is direct selling and network marketing. Multi-level marketing is also called network marketing, is also called cellular marketing or pyramid schemes. They are also called chain marketing. It's done by independent people or independent sales representatives. Any repeat sales will give you incentives. But the basic principle of multi-level marketing is having consumers by consumers. In no means you can say the customers are going to help you to develop a customer base. So here a happy customer always brings more customers for which he gets an incentive. So the compensation plan of network marketing or multi-level marketing varies from company to company. The origin of multi-level marketing is still a matter of confusion, and you can say we can go back to 1920, 1930s when Nutrilite or California Perfume Company rebranded as Avon Products today. At the same time, we could find in US this network marketing could able to start. In 1959, the employees of this Nutrilite, Zay Van Andel and Rich DeVos, they started their own company called Amway, and they also acquired the businesses of Nutrilite in 1972. Since 1994, Amway is one of the largest business organizations. What is multi-level marketing and how this multi-level marketing is different from the single-level marketing? Single-level marketing means here the salesperson earns the income on the basis of sales generated by him. He cannot multiply the sales volume by sponsoring other salespersons. Thus, the commission provided by the salesperson is on the basis of their sales performance only. In case of multi-level marketing system, the seller becomes distributor of the firm's products and he recruits other distributors or salespersons under his sponsorship, or we can call them downliners. Thus, the upliner, the distribute, the generates the bonus and commissions on the collective sales of the group. Downliners help to augment the overall sales and thus enables the upliners to earn a high commission. Multi-level marketing system provides firms an opportunity, rather I can say an alternative way of promoting the products to the potential customer by using relationship marketing approach. We'll be discussing relationship marketing approach in a different presentation, but I can tell you multi-level marketing or network marketing, the fundamental or the core marketing concept is relationship marketing. In order to abolish the malfunction of the contemporary marketing system or the policies, direct selling approach was developed, and direct selling is also a very old method of doing business, and multi-level marketing is nothing but exploits the direct selling approach. This concept is based on establishing a direct relationship between the customer and the producer. It eliminates the role of intermediaries in the distribution channel. Multi-level marketing depends on the person-to-person sale by the independent salespersons or sales representatives, those mostly work from home. In that sense, it is a part-time and flexible business model. This develops a network of business partners. So what are the things are required, or what are the skills are required to be successful in multi-level marketing? First skill is you have to be a highly energetic person. You have to take things for positive. You have more power to move on, and you don't require anybody to push you. Highly energetic person. Second, excellent selling skills. Third, highly self-motivated person. You know how to motivate yourself. You choose the products and the company very carefully. That's the most important thing. A good product can give you a better result in the market. And you have to practice what people teach in your group. And the practice will make you perfect. And you have to evaluate the higher-ups. At the same time, you have to take the lead with your downliners as a leader. That's the most important thing. And make use of internet and the networks today what is available. And take care of your business. Treat business as if you are a professional. And the last thing is, don't quit your day job. Be there. Consistently work hard. Many multinational companies, they fear this multi-level marketing. And I can tell you, multi-level marketing has a great future. And today, everybody, those who work on multi-level marketing, they are the true leaders, and they have proved that with a less effort, how they can create a force, a customer base which the traditional companies are fearing.